Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own music in Scratch. I want to first just note that these drawers over here, right, they're all color coded. These aren't actually every block that exists. There's actually more. And the way that you're going to be able to find them is down here. Whoops. Down here, see this like blue block down there? And I'm hovering over it and it says add extension. Click on that. Now there's a bunch of different things you can add in there, different extensions. You can draw with your sprites, right? You can text to speech, translation, a bunch of cool things, but we're going to click on the music one. Okay, and now if you look, you have all of your original ones, but now you also have a music one on the side. So we're going to go ahead and walk through how to use the different blocks. So let's say I drag an event in here. I don't care which one it is. I don't know when the space key is pressed. It can be really anything. All right, and then I'm going to say when the space key is pressed, I'm going to set the instrument to, let's say, set it to, when you click on the drop down, you can click on a different instrument here. Like they have guitar, electric guitar, organ. See all these instruments. I'm just going to say synth lead, which is like a synthesizer, like a kind of like a keyboard sound. All right, so you can add rests in here, you can add drum noises, but the key thing you're going to use to make your music is going to be the play note, right? So if you click in here, this actually shows you what note you want to play. So I can choose different notes that are on the piano. If I want to hear what they sound like, I can click on it. Right? Pick a note, and if I want to go like higher, just like a piano, the further left you go, the lower the note is. So I pick a note that I want, right? Let's just move back here. And I'll just say it's middle C. So I just start there, right? And I'll say that's the note. And you can say how long that note is played for. That's a quarter of a beat. If you want it to last an entire beat, you would say 1, right? But I'm just going to put it back to a quarter of a beat. And then I'm going to drag that up there, right? And you can just drag more. And I'm just going to add three notes to start off, right? So I'll click here. I have no idea what this is going to sound like, right? But if I press the space key, it goes do-do-do. More time. So if I want to, like, let's say I want to have that in a loop, right? And I want to do it multiple times, I can go to Control and say repeat. I don't know, just say like 4 times and drag that inside the repeat. Repeat 4 times, all this in here. Let's see what happens. Right? So you don't have to add repeats in there, but if you wanted to add more notes, right, you can. If I go to music, and I can add rests in there if you want to stop for a second. I encourage you to like, I'm trying to play Mary Had a Little Lamb here. And that kind of probably sounds like, let me say, nope, didn't sound like it at all. Oops, I didn't do the green flag, I did the space key. All right, so you can make your own song, whatever you want. You can try and replicate another song that exists already, like try and remix that song. You can make up your own song. It doesn't matter what you do, but you can even add rests, right? So you can like take a break, and then you can also add different instruments too. Like if I wanted to say, I don't know, when a different key is pressed, or let's say like when the up key is pressed, like it plays something else. You can also change the instrument midway through a song, right? So if you want to do 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 do, and then you want to change. You guys are probably gonna make fun of my music noises. Like, I don't know, you switch to like choir, right? And then I'm just gonna duplicate like so you can make whatever song you want. You can even take like a song that exists already and change it and put it in, try and make it in here. You can make up your own song. I really don't care as long as you make up your own song. It has to be at least 1 minute long though. You can't do like this and say, I'm done, right? Be creative with it, have fun with it. Another cool thing, like I mentioned, you click down here with the add extension, you can do like text to speech. So you can say something like, hello, how, I don't know, like, hello, how are you? And this can be like, I don't know if you like want to add it as part of the song, but you can, like, if I press the up arrow.
Hello, how are you?
So, and you can set the voice, right? You can make a voice. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see it. You can set the voice. It's at alto right now, but if you do like giant, it like lowers the voice. Watch.
Hello, how are you?
You can make it tenor, right?
Hello, how are you?
It sounds like a man's voice, a squeaky voice, which is really high pitch.
Hello, how are you?
And then what is kitten?
Meow, 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 meow.
So like you can mess around with this and add whatever you want. You don't have
meow,
to use.
Meow, meow, meow.
All right, that's annoying. Don't use the kitten one. So you can use whatever blocks you want here. Music, you can add text to speech if you want. You don't have to use text to speech, but you do have to use the music ones. You can set the tempo to like faster if you want. If you want to play the drums, right? Click the up arrow. Up to you. But yeah, that's all. Really, the only thing you have to do. You can change up the sprites here. You can change up the background, make it look nice. So that's pretty much it in terms of the music blocks. And I hope you do a good job.